In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present live in Microsoft Forms. Let's jump right in and get your live audience poll up and running. First, open Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your existing forms listed in front of you. From here, click New Form near the top of the Forms homepage to start building a fresh poll. Now we're going to build a one-question audience poll. Click the form title area at the top of the blank form, so the title becomes editable. Go ahead and type a title for the poll, and for this walkthrough, we'll use Team Workshop Check-in as the title text. Next, click Add New just below the title area to insert your first question. From the question type row that appears, click Choice, so the new question is set up as a multiple choice item. Click the question text field to place your cursor inside it. Type a question for the audience, and for this example, we'll use which topic should we discuss first as the wording. Now we need to fill in the answer options. Click option 1 directly under the question to highlight it. Type the first answer option, which in our case is Project Timeline, so the audience has a clear first choice. Then click option 2 underneath that and type the second answer option, which will be Budget Risks, giving your audience a second topic to vote on. The next part is allowing audience responses and copying the response link. Click Collect Responses in the upper right toolbar to open the sharing panel. Under the section labeled Send and Collect Responses, click Anyone Can Respond so people outside your organization can still vote. Then click the Copy Link icon in the sharing options on the right side of the panel. After that, click Copy Link beside the response URL to grab the address. Click X in the upper right corner of the panel to return to the form editor. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now it's time to start Live Present Mode. Click Present in the upper right toolbar. Wait a moment for Present Mode to open fully in your browser. Confirm that your question appears on the screen as a presentation slide, taking up most of the view. Then confirm the audience QR code, or short URL appears beside the slide, since this is what your live audience will scan or type to join. Next, we're going to submit one audience response from another tab to make sure everything is working. Open a new browser tab in your browser. Paste the copied response link directly into the address bar at the top. Press Enter to load the form. When the form loads, click the first answer option, which is the one called Project Timeline. Then click Submit below the form to send in the vote. Close the Response tab once the submission is confirmed. Return to the Present Mode tab where your slide is still showing. Now let's verify the live results. Wait a moment for the chart on the present slide to update with the new vote. Once you've seen the update, click X in the upper right corner of Present Mode to exit the live view. Click Responses near the top left area of the form to open the Responses tab. Confirm that the response count shows 1. Then confirm that the choice chart includes the answer you submitted, which should be Project Timeline. At this point, the Microsoft Forms poll has been presented in live present mode, with an audience QR code or short URL displayed beside the slide. After one audience response was submitted, the live results updated on the chart, and the Responses tab confirmed the submitted response was captured correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully presented a Microsoft Forms poll live to an audience and verified their responses flow through to your results in real time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.